I have for you 7 side hustles that you can do a night, perfect for people that are over 50. And yes, I've done more than one of these without quitting my day job. And before you roll your eyes and say, here we go again, I totally get it, because at 53 years old, tired at night, not exactly tech obsessed, I thought side hustles were either scams or stressful or just not meant for people like us at our age. So you're going to see which side hustles actually work in real life while you're balancing a job and taking care of family and all the things that come with running a household. I'm also going to show you one that taught me skills to earn $600 in a single day. That's more than my full-time job pays me in a day. And I thought to myself, you know what? Even if I only make $600 a month, $600 times 12 months is an extra $7,200 a year. What would you do with an extra $7,000? That is life-changing income, especially for people our age that are trying to save for retirement, help our kids pay for college, pay for medical expenses that we didn't expect to get. And hey, if you're new here, my name is Kim, 53 years old, from Philadelphia, mom of 5, grandma 2, and I started looking for ways to make money online after I worked my full-time job because life got expensive. I have 3 kids in college right now, trying to save for retirement, and we're a little heavy on the medical bills. Because I knew that if I didn't do something after my 9 to 5 to try to make an extra income, I'd be working till I was 70 years old. And I decided to take a chance and learn something new, learn a new skill set. And there are days that I earn $600 in a day. And my best month so far has been $4,200. It blows my mind that someone my age can do this. And it's not because I worked more hours. It's not because I had special skills. It's just because I finally stopped chasing ideas and followed a simple system. And I'm going to go through these side hustles and I'll let you know what drained me, which ones taught me something important, and which ones become the foundation of everything else. So number 1, freelancing. And this is something that a lot of people over 50 tend to look over. Freelancing isn't about learning something new. It's about utilizing the skills that you already have. It could be admin work, bookkeeping, customer service, writing, coaching, doing taxes. It could be pretty much anything. Many people can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour doing this at night, but here's a catch. You only get paid when you show up, which is just like a job. Freelancing can definitely be a great starting point, but when you're already tired at night, you might be wondering, is there something that doesn't entirely depend upon my time? Right? Because there are going to be days you come home from work and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to work this business because you're tired. I'm going to show you later in this video how you can make money without showing up. But if you are interested in freelancing, you could go to websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork, 99 Designs, TaskRabbit, Freelancer.com, and Creative Circle. Those are some websites that you can check out. Go to those websites, maybe do a search for whatever your skill is in, whether it's customer service or doing PowerPoint presentations, and see what other people are selling and charging and see if that's something that maybe you can do. Number 2 is selling physical products online. This one sounds exciting and it sounds like it would make sense until it totally doesn't. And obviously this is where people can sell products anywhere, actually. Etsy, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace. And I saw a business idea that I actually thought was pretty cool. It would be something that you do local, and maybe you take furniture out of people's houses for a charge. And then what you can do is flip the furniture, sell the furniture on Facebook Marketplace. So you're getting paid picking up the furniture, but then you're also getting paid a second time by selling the furniture. And obviously it doesn't have to be something big as furniture because who has the storage for that? But maybe there's an idea that you can think of something maybe a little smaller. Antique dishes or antique jewelry. And then to me personally, this just sounds, especially the furniture idea, this just sounds, it's a lot of work for maybe not a lot of money, but Hey, I've never done it, so what do I know? Number 3, creating content at night. Maybe you want to create a blog. Maybe you want to create a YouTube channel. And I've done both. There are a lot of people that create their own blog and then just share their life on their blog. And then the way that they make money is, number 1, you can sell something. Or number 2, you can put ads on your blog. So then even if people don't even buy, they just visit your blog and your blog will serve ads, you can make money that way. Having a blog is good if you have a lot to say about a particular subject. But in 2026, having a blog is hard. It was easy 10 years ago, especially with AI. If you look something up, a search on Google, the first thing you see now is not websites, it's an AI response. But hey, people make blogging work. If that makes sense to you, if you love to write, then definitely go for it. Because again, you can make money selling or having ads on your website, and you can also make money selling products. Now, YouTube, I'm infatuated with YouTube. I've actually made money multiple different ways. Number 1, selling products. Number 2, I actually had a faceless YouTube channel talking about the TV show The Bachelor. And the way I didn't sell anything, but what I did was I made money from YouTube ads. So if you've ever noticed, if you're on YouTube and you see an ad, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes when you see an ad, that creator is making money from you watching that ad. So my best month for that channel, and again, I never showed my face, was $1,700 a month. Another example of a YouTube channel where I made money from YouTube ads was unemployment. During the pandemic, people had a ton of questions about unemployment. I created a channel all about unemployment, and in fact, that's what this channel used to be, and that's where a lot of the subscribers have come from. I'm just turning it into a side hustle channel, make money online, that type of thing, because that's where my passion is now. But my best month talking all about unemployment was over $5,000 a month. I didn't get there right away, but after a couple months and after learning some things, I got to $5,000 a month. That paid for a nice vacation at the beach. But here's what I learned was relying on AdSense, which is the money that I got paid from YouTube. Yes, I had a great couple months of making a few thousand, but most months I didn't make much money. So I knew that I loved the concept of YouTube and getting paid to post videos, but it wasn't going to pay my bills long term. Now, side hustle number 4 is something called affiliate marketing. Now, what this is promoting someone else's product, but you get the commission. So you may have heard Amazon has an affiliate program. In fact, you can Google Amazon affiliates, fill out a form, get approved. They're going to send you a website that is unique to you. And if you share that website and someone makes a purchase, Amazon knows that you referred them, so you're going to make a commission. Now, the commissions, especially off Amazon, are really small. I think it's less than 5%. So while the concept is fantastic, because you don't have to create a product, you don't have to ship the product, you don't have to deal with customer support, you don't have to have a garage full of products, but the commission is very small. So while this is a great concept, will it pay the bills? Probably not. It's a lot of work for a little bit of pay. And that's when I realized something, that I love the concept of affiliate marketing, because I didn't have to deal with the main headaches, but I needed something better because I wanted to make more. Because making $600 a day off Amazon, it would have never happened for me. And this is where the next side hustle comes in. Side hustle number 5, which is master resell rights. And this is the side hustle that finally made sense to me. Master resell rights gives you the right to resell something, and most of the time when you resell it, you make 100% profit. So it's just like this. I have an iPhone. I get my phone service from T-Mobile. T-Mobile did not create the iPhone. Apple did. So T-Mobile is selling Apple's products. So it's the same concept here. I didn't create these digital programs, but I have a license to sell it for 100% profit. So we'll just take that Amazon example. Say you sell a $100 product off of Amazon. If they even pay you 5%, you'll make $5. Whereas with master resale rights, you sell a $100 product, you're going to make $100. And another thing, and this is what I love, is say you sell a product off Amazon, you're going to wait at least 30 days till that money hits your bank account. Master resale rights, you make a sale, that money is in your bank account the next day. So if it's set up correctly, you could literally get daily pay. You make the sale one day, it'll be in your account the next day. And this is why it worked for me, is because it taught me digital marketing step by step. The product, again, was already created. The system, the websites, everything was already built. And I can sell the exact system and program for 100% profit. Now, the income potential is huge because it meant that I didn't need to get hundreds of sales to help pay off my debt. I just needed 1 to 2 sales a week. And all I had to do was just put in 2 hours a day. And I could break up these 2 hours within my day. So for example, during my lunch break from my job, I would work my business. And then when I got done my job, I only had an hour left to work my business. Sometimes I would even spend 20, 30 minutes before I would log into my job and work my business then. And this is how I earned my first real online income. So if you ever thought, I'm not technical, I'm too old to start, I should have done this years ago, I want you to know I felt the same way. So let me ask you this and let me know in the comments below. Which one sounds more doable for you? Was it the freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or reselling digital education? So here's what I want to leave you with. You don't need 5 side hustles. You just need one that fits your life, your energy. And if you want to see the exact system I use to make $4,200 in a month, you can decide if it makes sense for you. You can click on the link in the description below. And if you want to see even more side hustles that you can do at night, you want to check out this video here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.